Hello guys, I'm Shyanukant and welcome to my channel. So this is my project using Django, REST framework and React. This is a simple Twitter-like application. Squib deploy on Azure Web Service plus Postgre flexible server. So let's get started. So this is a simple login page. First of all, I have to create an account. I have a user admin account, but I show you Dev. Okay. Okay, now I successfully registered. Logging. Dev. Okay. So guys, this is blank or empty because there is no user. Dev is the first user of this application, this Twitter application. First of all, I show you profile @Dev, no follower, no following, edit. Okay, at so Dev body location India. Dev. Okay, save. Now I show you profile again. Okay, this is profile. Dev body, handle, location, link, no follower, no following. Okay, so first of all, I show you tweet. Hello, I am Dave from India, a Python developer. Okay, tweet. So tweet, like, unlike, unlike, like, and we can retweet it using this button. By clicking on this button, we can retweet and retweet. Okay, and if you want to see the full view of the tweet, simply click on view button. And now, okay, back. Okay, and if I show you profile again, so we can see our only the user tweet, our tweet. Okay, but there's no other user, so I copy this website link, this application link, and open in Codio mode, login. So I logging as a admin. Okay, I'm in min. Okay, so now I show you the admin profile. Nothing, only my name Shyanukant. But if I go to home, so there is another user Dev. So I click on Dev profile. I want to follow Dev. One follower and one following. You can see that. But there's a problem. You gain one follower. Okay, I will change it. I will fix this issue. I should add another tab in sidebar, a notification bar. Okay, but the following and follower is working successfully. Shyanukant don't have any content, didn't have any content, so I am Shyanukant Rati, just for fun. Okay, tweet. Okay, Shyanukant tweet. Now I show you the Tail profile on Shyanukant. So this is Tail profile, Tail, and now we can see that Shyanukant tweet on home. So I like it, retweet it, Dave retweet Shyanukant tweet, and they follow Shyanukant. Follow one follower, one following, and also they also have one follower and one following. So the application working fine. All right. Okay, my project is working fine. Log out and log out. It's redirect me on login page. So guys, if you want the code of this application, check out description, and you can also check out github.shanukant/squib, and this is my repo, a Twitter application using Django, React, and Bootstrap. Okay, squib.azurewebsite.net, and this is only Django part. If you want React part, you have to go to Squib Web.